So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very requested set. You guys have asked me to do a lot of times to do acrylic nails on shorter bitten nails. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay, so let's get right into it. So yeah guys, this is how the nails look before doing anything to them. Now I'm using some alcohol to loosen up the nail bed and also to disinfect. Now I'm using my cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles. Make sure you push back the cuticles gently, because most of the times when the nails are short, the cuticles are a little bit more stiff, I think. I don't know why, but most of the time the cuticles will be a little bit more stiff. So make sure you push them back properly. But you guys, because the nails are shorter, you have to make sure you push them back properly, because you want to make the nail bed look bigger, not too much so you don't hurt the client, but you have to push them back properly until you cannot push them anymore. So don't push too hard and too much, otherwise you will hurt your client. And now I'm using this nail bit to get under the cuticle area to loosen it up and to make it easier to cut off and to clean the cuticle area. I don't have a link for you guys for this bit because I bought it in Curacao when I was on vacation. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing at the cuticle area, just to loosen up the cuticle area more so we can clean the cuticle area later. So the next step, I'm going in with my medium grit bit of the sanding band, and I'm going in also under the cuticle area to get the dead skin off and to roughen up the shine of the natural nail. This is on a really low speed, you guys, because we don't want to damage the natural nail too much, and also we don't want to get a lot of layers from the natural nail off. So really gently, you guys, the lowest that you can do, that you can put your nail drill on. Make sure you put your nail drill on the lowest set. Now I'm going to apply the nail tips. These nail tips, I'm so in love with them because I can get the coffin shape easily. This one I also bought on Curacao when I was on vacation, and now I'm just cutting them off. And now you can see how easy I got the coffin shape. I'm just going to perfect it a little bit with my hand file, but I don't have to do too much. Maybe you can search on AliExpress or something for stiletto nail tips, I don't know, or on your local beauty shop. But you guys, I would really recommend these stiletto nail tips to use if you want coffin shaped nails. So I'm using my hand file to just perfect the shape. And when I'm done doing this step, I'm going in once again with my cuticle pusher to just loosen up the cuticle area once again if any glue was stuck into the cuticle area, before I'm going in with my cuticle scissors to cut off the dead skin around the cuticle area. Okay, you guys, so now I'm using my cuticle scissors to get off the dead skin around the cuticle area. Make sure you be really careful so you don't cut too much, so your client will not bleed. Sometimes it can happen that you cut too much, but make sure if that happens, you just clean it properly with a disinfecting spray or some alcohol. Just make sure you treat the part that you have cut too much properly with some alcohol. Okay guys, so now I'm going in once again with my medium grit bit for my sanding band. This is to blend in the nail tips into the natural nail, and also just a little bit once again at the cuticle area where I've got the old skin off at the cuticle area, and also the little tiny things from the dead skin, because when you have dead skin left at the cuticle area, your nails will get lifted easily. Okay, so make sure you get it all off. And now I'm going to use my dehydrating primer. And you guys, this is my primer that will be on my website soon. You guys, I'm working on it, so it will be available soon. And now I'm going to apply one coat of my Super Bond, which also will be on my web shop soon. You guys, I'm so excited. And also the products that I'm using in this video are from my website. I just can't wait to launch my new website and to show you guys everything. I'm so excited, but I want to do everything perfectly, so that's why it's taking a little bit longer. So yeah, I'm just applying a thin layer of clear acrylic on all the nails. This is to protect the nails and also to prevent any lifting or any staining from the colored acrylic to the natural nail. Okay, you guys, so now I'm applying using one bead. Most of the time I use one bead to apply on the nails when I'm applying one color. This is the Cover Pink from Tones. I'm applying it on all the nails, and if I just need something a little bit more, I just will go in and grab a little bit more, but most of the time just one bead. And yeah, I'm just going to apply that on the nails, and make sure you keep the shape by pressing your brush at the sides, so your nail will be not too thick and not too wide, and you don't have to file too much. The application is really important, so you don't have to file too much. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do on all the nails. So this is how the nails look after application. And now, as always, I'm going to use my medium grit bit to smooth down the nails and to also perfect the shape a little bit. So now I'm getting in with my tapered bit into the cuticle area. So now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. So now I'm using some alcohol to spray and clean and disinfect, and also a little manicure brush to clean off all the dust. And this is how the nails look after filing, buffing, and cleaning the nails. And you guys, next I'm using a small detailing brush from the bottle, the gel bottle, and I'm just drawing this line on the nail. I'm using my gel, my painting gel that will be available on my web shop. You guys, I'm so excited. Now I'm so into painting because normally I don't like to draw on nails because the gel polish will just be all over the place and it will be runny, and I just don't like it. But this gel is especially for painting. It's thick, it will stay where you place it. Normally I will flash cure the nails or flash cure all the nails in between so the gel polish will not run and go all over the place. But with this painting gel, you can just do it all. You can just do all the nails and after that go in and cure the nails. But if you don't want to mess it up with your own hand or finger on the other nails, you can go and flash cure it. But still done with the red, I didn't flash cure the nails, so I love it. I just love these painting gels, and you can make fine lines, you can make straight lines, you can make thick lines. I just love it, you guys. So these will also be available on my web shop soon, you guys, soon. So after I'm done doing this with the white painting gel, I'm going in and cure the nails. Okay, so after curing the nails, I'm going in with the gel bottle, the clear rubber top coat, to apply some crystals on this nail. And after applying the crystals, I will go in and cure the nail so the crystal will not move. And when I'm done, I'm going in with our top coat that will be available also on our web shop. I will go in and top off all the nails with my gel glossy top coat, and yeah, then I will show you guys the end result. Okay, so now I'm going in, I'm applying the gel top coat, and you guys, I'm so in love with a clear brush. Just love it. Look how the red looks. I'm so in love with these products, you guys. And you also have to know that when you have cured the painting gel, you will not get a tacky layer. So if you want to do the nails matte and over the matte top coat you want to apply the painting gel, you don't have to cure that, or you have to cure it, but you don't have to put any top coat over that. So I've applied some cuticle oil, and you guys, this is the final result. I'm so in love. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching till the end. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It would really help me to know if you guys like this kind of videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.